This is a Panasonic VHS movie rescued from a school. Is this a power adapter? This is a TV out to either BNC or RF. The foam's clearly disintegrated around the mic. So in here is a completely unused character generator. It has video in and out, BNC. Is there anything behind this? There's a strap. Is this a battery harness? And a smaller VNC adapter. I'll plug the adapter in. Phone camera up to the viewfinder when I turn on the power. Turn it on. I have myself obtained this. It's the RCA jack off of a AliExpress reversing camera that I broke. Turn off. White cable, and then the yellow cable. Also change the TV input. Ooh, picture's better now. Picture's a lot better now. So right now, I am playing the same tape as I did in my old video about this Sony VCR. Except I'm playing it using this, and you can see it in the viewfinder. Where's the slider? That causes really bad interference on plugging that. And now it's got that up on screen. So I'm going to choose the clear button. It thinks it's 1987 now. I forgot to get my phone and and the key for this box. Big power brick in my pocket. Operate. Okay, let's see what this looks like.
Here you are, right, sorry. Wasn't very good enough. Here you are, side.
Oh shit. And after seeing that, I decided it would probably be best to take it apart. As you can tell from the fact that this doesn't line up properly, yeah, I'm filming this part after I already took it apart and put it back together. The board looks immaculate in here. None of the capacitors look bulged. On the other side, it looks perfect too. Now, I didn't catch it on video, but what happens next is that I probed the board a bit and I probed the voltage lines, and I was getting 19 volts on the 12 volt line. And this clip you're about to see next is my reaction immediately after discovering that. Very bad. So this power brick has done a Commodore 64. If you don't understand what that means, it means that the power brick has acted like a Commodore 64 power brick. And I hope it hasn't killed the camera. So you see, if I use a voltmeter, $19 volts. It's supposed to be 12. Oh, I soldered up this. It's just a barrel jack to alligator clips. I'm gonna click it on. Okay. It's the battery. There you go. Negative wired up. I'm gonna flick. That's the operation switch. So 12.23 volts. So here's the current state of the situation. Here I have a car battery, where I have the cord coming out of the car battery to some alligator clips, which it then feeds the positive end through the multimeter in the current mode. So let me show you what happens. So the multimeter's in current mode. It's wired through this probe to this is the battery clip. If I turn it on, that clicking noise is actually the head doing that for some reason. It draws 0.7 to like 0.8 amp, and the viewfinder like that. And no, that's not camera flickering, that's the way it looks in real life. And all the LEDs are flickering. Now if I try to use the on switch, goes silent and drops to consuming only 0.8 amps. Now if you try to eject, goes up to 0.79, and while holding the on switch, 0.78, and the actual viewfinder goes solid white. So yeah, so unfortunately the camera did stop working and I was not able to resurrect it. And it's unfortunate, this is a very common problem with these linear power supplies from years ago. When they go bad, they start outputting way too much voltage. In my case, the 12 volt power brick was outputting 19 volts, which is insane. Now, of course, it's not all bad. At least this piece of video history is not in a landfill. But it's massive. What am I going to do with a massive broken camcorder? But, of course, that's not the only thing I got. I also got this Olympus point-and-shoot camera from the same school, and it actually fully works. So yeah, I have linked down below a drive folder with high-res images if you think you could figure out what's wrong with the camera, because I've taken high-res pictures of both sides of the board in case anyone can figure out what's wrong with it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more random content. Goodbye.